Knock knock, who's there? It's a brand new house waiting to be drawn. Let's see what kind of cozy home we can dream up. With a quick flick of our pencil, the sketch for our house is done. It's all set to be built strong, with some clean marker lines. Alright, Scribble peeps, let's start with the roof. First, we'll draw the front and side borders, making it look like a cozy hat for our house. Perfect for keeping out the rain. Next up, let's add the top of the roof. And of course, don't forget the chimney. What do you think goes in there? Maybe a tiny wizard? Or a squirrel chef cooking up some acorn stew? Now, it is time to give our house a cheerful circular window, right above the front door. Perfect for peeking out and saying hello. And we need to draw the step leading up to that door for our guests to come in. If you're excited about our house drawing, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated on all our cool videos. Moving on, let's draw the walls of our house nice and tall. And for the end, let's draw a big window on the side. So big, it could be a stage for a squirrel talent show. And tell me, what colors come to mind for your dream house? And there we have it. Our awesome vibrant house is all done. Thanks for drawing with me today, and if you want more, you can always find more Peeptastic free videos like this at scribblepeeps.com. Bye!